Welcome to 2665 Stirrup Lane, where waterfront is one of the many extras that complete this 3-year-old brick home with split 3-bedroom floor plan. Vaulted ceiling in the great room, formal dining room, and the front bedroom. Engineered hardwood flooring in the great room, formal dining room, kitchen and breakfast area. Kitchen has granite and stainless appliances, including the refrigerator to remain. Tray ceiling in the large master bedroom will easily hold a king bed and furniture that is 17-11 inches by 14-5 inches. The master provides a walk-in closet and a private master bath with granite counters and dual sinks. Your guest bathroom has a granite vanity and is conveniently located between the 2 bedrooms. There is a 2-car garage and an interior storage room. The fenced backyard has a patio and a fire pit to enjoy, overlooking the lake. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has a vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan, engineered hardwood floors, and measures 23 1-inch by 13 2 inches. The great room has a vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan, engineered hardwood floors, and measures 23 1-inch by 13 2 inches. The dining room has a vaulted ceiling, an arched window, engineered hardwood floors, and measures 13 2 inches by 10 8 inches. The kitchen has granite counters, stainless appliances, including the refrigerator to remain, engineered hardwood floors, and measures 11 8 inches by 9 11 inches. The eating area of the kitchen measures 9 10 inches by 4 10 inches and has engineered hardwood floors. The mud area leads to the master bedroom, laundry room, and 2-car garage. The master bedroom provides a walk-in closet and a private master bath, has a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, has carpet, and measures 17-11 inches by 14-5 inches. The private master bath has granite counters, dual sinks, tile floors, and measures 11 10 inches by 5 7 inches. The master walk-in closet measures 5 9 inches by 5 7 inches. The laundry room is located off the mud hall, has a washer and dryer hookup, cabinets, and measures 5 7 inches by 5 3 inches.